Hello friend, myself R.D. Mahajan, Assistant Professor, MIT, Aurangabad, presenting my video on analytic function when the given function is in the form of sum of the two terms u and v. Therefore, let us see the example. Determine f of z if 2u plus v is equals to e raised to x into cos y minus sin y. This term is in the bracket cos y minus sin y. Therefore, let us see the solution. Given 2u plus v is equals to e raised to x cos y minus sin y. We call this as equation number 1. Then differentiating 1 with respect to x, keeping y constant, and therefore we get 2 times dou u by dou x, derivative of u with respect to x, derivative of v with respect to x, dou v by dou x. This term is constant term, taking outside as it is, cos y minus sin y, and derivative of e raised to x with respect to x is e raised to x. We call this as equation number 2. Then differentiating 1 with respect to y, this time we keep x as constant, and therefore we get 2 times dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou y is equals to e raised to x is constant term outside, derivative of these two terms with respect to y, derivative of cos is minus sin y, and derivative of sin y is minus cos y. Okay. Derivative of sin is cos y, but it is with minus sign, therefore it becomes minus cos y. We call this as equation number 3. Then put x is equals to z and y is equals to 0 in equation 2 and 3. We get, therefore that equation 2 becomes 2 times dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou x, and this is by Milne-Thomson theorem, and therefore it becomes e raised to z, x replaced by z, cos 0 is 1, therefore it is 1, sin 0 is 0, and that is e raised to z. We call this as equation number 4th. Okay. Then in equation number 3, if we put this two terms, we get 2 times dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou y is equals to minus, I can take outside, it becomes e raised to z, x replaced by z, cos y, y is 0, therefore cos 0 1, sin 0 is 0, and therefore we get this term as minus e raised to z. Equation number 5th. Then using CR equations in 5th, And let's say our equations are dou u by dou x is equals to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y is equals to minus dou v by dou x. In equation fifth, that equation fifth becomes 2 times dou u by dou y is replaced by minus dou v by dou x, and dou v by dou y is replaced by dou u by dou x, therefore plus dou u by dou x is equals to a minus e raised to z. We call this as equation number 6. Minus 2 dou v by dou x plus dou u by dou x is equals to e raised to minus z. Then, as per the previous video, first we add equation 4 and 6, and then we subtract 4 and 6, performing these two calculations. First, adding 4 and 6, we get, therefore it is 2 times dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou x is equals to e raised to z, and in that we have to add this dou u by dou x minus 2 times dou v by dou x is equals to minus e raised to z. Solving these two equations simultaneously by elimination technique. Therefore, I will multiply this first equation by 2 and this second by 1, and therefore if we multiply it by 2 throughout, we get 4 times dou u by dou x plus 2 times dou v by dou x is equals to 2 e raised to z, and multiplying by 1 we get here dou u by dou x minus 2 times dou v by dou x is equals to minus e raised to z, and then adding it. When we add it, this term get cancelled, opposite sign term. 4 plus 1 we get 5 times dou u by dou x, as 2 e raised to z minus e raised to z, we get e raised to z. It implies the value of dou u by dou x as 1 by 5 times e raised to z. By adding, we get the value of dou v by dou x. We have to multiply first equation by 1 and second by 2, coefficient of dou u by dou x, to eliminate that dou u by dou x. And therefore, when we perform this, we get that equation as 2 times dou u by dou x plus 1 times dou v by dou x is equals to e raised to z. Multiplying by 2 throughout, we get 2 times dou u by dou x minus 4 times dou v by dou x, and is equals to minus 2 times e raised to z. And then we have to subtract it, and therefore to subtract it, we have to change the sign. This become minus, minus become plus, and minus become plus. And then when we perform this addition, subtraction, we get this term get cancelled, Dou v by dou x plus 4 times dou v by dou x, we get 5 times dou v by dou x. 2 plus 1 times e raised to z, we get 3 times e raised to z, and it implies dou v by dou x as 3 by 5 e raised to z. I have obtained these two values. By adding 4 and 6, we get the value of dou v by dou x. By subtracting 4 and 6, we get the value of dou v by dou x. And therefore, substituting that in the relation f dash of z is equals to dou v by dou x plus I times dou v by dou x. We get this is equals to the value of dou v by dou x is 1 by 5 times e raised to z plus I times value of dou v by dou x 3 by 5 times e raised to z. What we can take common? We can take 1 by 5 common from this, and e raised to z also we can take common. Here remains 1 and here remains 3i, a constant term. This is the value of f dash of z. Okay, we call this equation number 7. And then we have to integrate this with respect to we have f dash of z is equals to 1 by 5 times e raised to z in bracket 1 plus 3i. Here 1 plus 3i is a constant term. 1 by 5 is also constant term. Then integrating with respect to z, on both sides we get integration of f dash of z with respect to z, 1 plus 3i divided by 5 constant term, integration of remaining term e raised to z with respect to z, and integration of this f dash of z is f of z, required analytic function. Here it is 1 plus 3i by 5 constant term. Integration of e raised to z is e raised to z and plus constant of integration e. As the required analytic function. Or required answer. In my next video, I will discuss how we can obtain, how we can construct first harmonic function, second construction of analytic function, and third to determine the conjugate of the given function. That I will discuss in my next video. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Thank you very much.